Focus on vocabulary, nationalities and professions. Look at the images. What country do you think they represent? That's right. The country is Brazil. People from Brazil are Brazilian. Number 2. That's right. The country is Britain. People from Britain are British. Number 3. That's right. The country is France. People from France are French. Number 4. That's right. The country is Chile. People from Chile are Chilean. Professions. Look at the image. What is the profession? Architect. Number 2. Tour guide. Number 3. Receptionist. Number 4. Journalist. Number 5. Human Resources Manager. Focus on grammar. Present simple. Let's look at the verb to be. We use the verb to be to talk about professions and nationalities.
I am a journalist.
I'm a human resources manager at Global Voice. Paolo is Brazilian.
In the present tense, we use 3 forms of the verb to be: am, is, and are in the singular form.
I am a receptionist.
You are a tour guide. He is an architect. We use are in plural form.
We are students.
They are doctors. We can say the verb in the contracted or shorter form in informal situations. Look at the table and listen to the long and the short form of the verb to be. First, let's look at the long form. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Now, let's look at the short form. I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, we're, they're. Listen and repeat the sentences using the short form of the verb to be. I am a receptionist, or I'm a receptionist. You are a tour guide, or you're a tour guide. He is an architect, or he's an architect. We are students, or we're students. They are doctors, or they're doctors. When using the verb to be in the negative form, we add not after the verb.
I'm not German. I am Russian.
You are not Spanish, you are French. She's not Bolivian, she is Chilean.
We are not Mexican. We're Colombian.
They're not South African, they are Australian. In the negative, we can also say the verb in the contracted or shorter form in informal situations. Look at the table and listen to the long and the short form of the verb to be in the negative. First, let's look at the long form. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. They are not. Now, let's look at the short form. I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. They aren't. When you ask a question using the verb to be, you need to be careful with the word order. For example, in the affirmative we say, he is Chilean, with the pronoun he, then the verb to be. In the interrogative we say, is he Chilean, with the verb to be, and then the pronoun he. Here are more examples. Are you a journalist?
Yes, I am a journalist.
Are they doctors?
No, they aren't doctors. They are students.
Look at the table of the interrogative form of the verb to be. Listen and repeat. Am I? Are you? Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are they? Let's take a look at a and an. When talking about professions, we use a or an before the job, except in the plural form. If the job starts with a vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u, then we say an. For example, an artist, an engineer, an interpreter, an office assistant. If the job starts with a consonant sound, then we say a. For example, a doctor, a student, a journalist, a tour guide.